Hello students, today we are going to study about Unit 4 Prose, the two great musicians. This part is going to come in three parts. The entire chapter I will bring you in three parts. So first, before going to the lesson, let us study about the glossary. Communique, that is official intimation in Urdu. It is called as guftagu. Next, please, willing, agreeable, gratification. So meherbani, that is in Urdu. Then doyen, most experienced member in a field, safire ala. Next, distinction, that is difference. In Urdu it is called imtiaz. Next, rendered speechless, unable to speak due to surprise, that is be-awaz, that is becoming speechless. Tinged, that is shaded, that is in Urdu range hue. Prominent, distinguished, in Urdu it is called mumtaz. Conferred, that is granted, honored, in Urdu ata kiya gaya. Renowned means famous, mashhoor. Glory, that is importance, in Urdu it is called azmat. Recite means sing, that is in Urdu zabani padana. Effortlessness, seems easy, achieve something without much effort, बिना किसी दिक्कत के उस चीज़ को हासिल करना. Ceaseless, without stopping, मुतवातिर in Urdu. Next, restraint, calm, sensible, controlled behavior, tahammul in Urdu. Constant means regular, that is in Urdu it is called mustaqal. Self-appraisal, self-evaluation, then it is in Urdu khud tashkhis. Blending, that is in English itself mixing, that is in Urdu milawat. Intuitive, that is sixth sense, fitrat ke mutabiq, or fitri. Accolades, that is praise, admiration, or tarif. Duet, two singers singing together, that is in Urdu it is called jodi. Chorus, a large group of people who sings together, milkar gana. Reputed, famous, in Urdu it is called mashhoor. Recognized means noticed or taslim kiya gaya or manzoor shuda. Breadwinner, earner of livelihood, or in Urdu it is called rozi kamane wala. Ironically, a reverse feeling of what you expected, that is tanziya taur par. Breakthrough means penetrate, achieve, or success. Rukawat par khabu pa lena. Absolute, no longer useful, in Urdu it is called matruk. Phenomenal, very great, ghair mamuli. Realize means understand, achieve, in Urdu it is called ehsas. Contribution, give something valuable, imdad dena. Here it is a picture, so here some people are singing something. So here some questions have been asked. Try to understand what the entire lessons contain. Have you attended such a program? Who is your favorite musician or singer? Why do you like her or him? Which is your favorite song? Some people like classical music and some people light music. In India we enjoy Hindustani music in the north, and Carnatic music in south. That is in Carnatic music, Srimati M.S. Subbalakshmi has been called the Nightingale of India. So here from this video you will come to know what it is. So what the entire lesson consists of.